me, then I don't need a reason.
So as you guys can see, I already cut out my Chanel stencils. All I did was Google the Chanel logo, and I was able to find the double C and then just the regular Chanel letters. I actually got too big of a canvas. So I actually like the size, but because of the size I got, it was kind of hard to find logos online that was big enough to fit the whole thing. So what I had to do, I actually Googled different ways to make photos bigger, and I came across this site called Photo Enlarge, I believe. I'll like insert a whole clip of that, and I was able to make the small photos that I liked bigger so it can fit the canvas, you know, more better, because the other ones I got was way too small. The C's would have been really small on this board. This is the whole board, as you can see, and it's kind of still small, but it's not as small as the original ones that I printed out at first before I enlarged them. So yeah, I actually like how this looks. So right now I'm just about to trace it with a pencil. I kind of like where it's at right now. I might move it a little bit, but once I find out exactly how I want it, I'm going to trace it with a pencil and then get into adding the glitter. Okay, so I just traced my stencils with a pencil, and I didn't film it because I broke one of my nails, and I'm not trying to, you know, film with one of my nails broken. But basically, I know you guys are not stupid. You guys know how to trace over something. So yeah, basically I just took my pencil around each letter and around the Chanel logo and just traced it where I wanted it. You guys can space it how you guys want it. You could put it, the Chanel part, further down if you want, or higher up, whatever. You could do it across. Like, it doesn't really matter. Like, whatever you want, it's your design. You could do whatever you want with it. Okay, so I'm about to take my Gorilla Glue. I'm going to go around where I put the pencil first, and then just sprinkle my glitter onto it. So I didn't know if I wanted to do gold or black glitter, but I decided I'm gonna do gold since I really do like gold. So this is the gold glitter that I am going to use. I believe I got this at Walmart. I don't remember. If not, there's glitter you can get at Michael's, whatever. This Gorilla Glue, because I can't find my Mod Podge, but you can also use Mod Podge. I don't know why I wanted to outline it first and then put on the glitter and then do the metal, but that's just how I want to do it. Maybe because I feel like the glue might dry out quicker, and I want to make sure like the outline is really, I want it to look really sharp. So that's why I'm outlining where I drew the stencil first, and then I'm going to use the glue and put it inside of the Bye.